It's time to play Legit or Myth. It's almost impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Think about it. Does it sound like I'm trying to trick you or truth you? Think about it. Legit, it's true. Our bodies keep our peepers shut when we sneeze to protect them from the germs and dust we sneeze out. Even if you try really hard, it's almost impossible to keep your eyes open.